Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to explain about the list methods. There are total 11 methods are there. In this video, I am going to explain 3 methods: append, extend and insert. Please walk through with me. Let me open the Jupyter notebook. Please wait. Environment is loading. So, if you want to check how many methods are there in the list, just go to print of directory of list. You can see these all are the methods. Now, append. Append is a method. It takes single argument and always add end of the list. So, let me show you one example. List 1 is equal to 10, 20, 50.5, some float value and string value is there. This is the list and I want to add one new element into it. So first write the variable name dot method name append. So append takes single argument only. That means maybe I want to add Java here. So print of list 1. So now check the position where it was added in the end of the list. The previous list was ended with the Python and the new element is added after that. So append takes only single argument. If you try to pass one more argument here, maybe 100 I want to add, you can see it is going to raise the error because append takes exactly one argument, but how many I given? 2 arguments. So that's why append won't support it. But every time our requirement is not only one argument. If you want to add more than one argument, then go to extend method. So same example, take this list. So now I am trying to list 1 dot extend of. So always you need to write the element names inside of the square bracket only. Maybe I want to add 500 and some boolean value true and 5000. You can see a list of elements. Go to print of list 1. You can see defaultly where the elements are added, end of the list only. And here you can see if you extend takes more than one argument, but it is in the list form. But if you try to pass the elements without a list, maybe you can see directly if you try to pass the elements like this, it is going to raise the error. Takes exactly one argument, but you given like a 3 arguments, so it won't work. Maybe try to pass one argument maybe. You can see why the error is raised, because it only you need to write if it is one argument or maybe it is more than one argument, always in the list form only, not like append. So but append and extend both will add the elements in the end of the list only. That means position was fixed. But insert is different. Maybe you can, let me take this one only. Now insert. Insert is a method. If you want to add an element at the specific location, that means just take the example. I want to add a new element between 50.5 and Python. In between, I want to add a new element, maybe that is Java. So insert, write the variable name list1 dot insert of Insert takes two arguments. One is position, where you want to add the element. Now see the positions. Always start with the index numbers 0, 1, 2 and 3. So if you write the 3 means the new element comes into the third position and Python will move into the fourth position. Just take this one. Java. Position and the element name is Java. So print of list 1. Now check. Java is added between the 50.5 and Python. So wherever you want, just give the position. Based on that element will be added. Maybe I want to add between 10, 20 in between. Then you can give like a position number is 1. You can see the Java added between the 10, 20. So this is the insert. So in next video, I am going to explain the next 3 methods: pop, clear and remove. So please follow my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Thank you.